We are celebrating a Holi festival today. It's the festival of color. In Jamaica, it is known as the Phagwa festival, which is the same thing as we call it a Holi. And that's what we're celebrating today. Actually, this festival falls on 8th, which is the full moon day. But because it's a working day, we would like to include all community members and make it inclusive. Not only Indian community, but also Jamaican community to see what the Holi celebration is like. It's a celebration of colors, it's a celebration of relationship, it's a celebration of life. So we would like everyone to be in. So we moved to this today, which is Sunday, where everyone can come and participate and have fun.
The High Commissioner has really, like I commissioned before, but I believe that he has really galvanized the Indian community to celebrate our heritage and ancestry. You would have done documentaries on us before that, the Jamaican motto of out of many one people is indicative of the various different cultures that we have, including the Indian culture, the African culture, the Chinese culture. But the Indian culture is of particular importance to us because, as you know, there's a large Indian population in Jamaica, and it's good that we can celebrate this.
And so many things that we love in Jamaica comes from India. So many things.
Curry goat,
yes,
roti.
So we're happy to be here to celebrate with them. We have to thank the ambassador because he always makes us feel included. I don't know how far back in my genes do I have Indian blood, but I feel like a special part of the Indian culture today.
I have been warmly welcomed. I have fully immersed myself into the activities of today. I was just playing tug and war. I participated in the color splash. I was on stage participating in the Indian dance. The people have just been so warm and welcoming. And it's also good to see members of our own Jamaican community here, and other members of parliament are here, other government ministers are here, other ambassadors from different countries are here. And the feedback from them is the same. Everybody is having a good time. It's a beautiful family fun day.
I'm invited by the High Commissioner to share an experience that we in Ecuador experience every year. I feel like I am in my country. I feel like I am in Carnival. We have Indian communities that express their joy, their inheritance this way. I feel that it's something that the High Commissioner have done as a country representative, and I personally as a country representative also feel enlightened that I am sharing a history of our countries. I'm sharing community, I'm sharing friendship, and I'm sharing a beautiful, beautiful area where we have chosen to celebrate today.
I think it's getting popular with Jamaicans as well. So, and we are hoping, and that was one reason why we wanted to have it in a venue where we can have that integration, of Jamaicans, Indians, and just have this fun afternoon for everyone. So I'm happy that we are seeing more Jamaicans coming in.
But I think that does not represent Indian community in Jamaica. We have much more Indian community, so we thought we'll open this up to other community members, make it inclusive. So we moved to Hop Garden, and incidentally, this is the garden where we have India-Jamaica Friendship Garden. And the Hop Garden management has given us this space. And the garden was inaugurated last year by our Honorable President when he visited Jamaica for the first time in the relationship of India and Jamaica in 60 years. Last year was the first Indian president to visit Jamaica, and he inaugurated this garden. So it is a lot of significance for us to celebrate this color festival, the festival of spring. In India, this is the springtime. After winter, then comes spring. And this is the sowing season where all the shoots of the trees are coming out and everything comes to life after winter. And this is also season where the birds are chirping, the cuckoo will be cooing, and those seasonal birds are coming forward, So we celebrate all this newness of life, and that's how we're celebrating this year. And of course, this festival has been in Jamaica for a long time, since time immemorial, in the sense that when Indians came, they bring these festivals with them. So in the last 177 years, this festival has been celebrating in Jamaica. But the fact that I think this is known to all Jamaicans, but if we integrate it, make it a festival for all, like Holi festival is not just festival for Indians. We have more than 30 million Indians scattered around the world. And in every part of the world we celebrate Holi. And so this is not just Indian celebration. It is also the celebration of the entire world.
In 2021, I was invited to lead a delegation into India to experience their culture and to discuss democracy at large. So today I was invited here. This is my first time coming, and it has been a great event. I enjoy the positive message that has been sent, good over evil, embracing happiness, the colors, the food. There's a full display of the Indian culture. And what I really love is that it's a clean family event. So you have from the babies to the adults, the seniors, everybody just out having a good time, sharing love, sharing joy, sharing happiness. And Holi is all about good over evil. And this is something the Jamaicans, us as Jamaicans can embrace, because even though there are things that are not so good happening in our country, there are also many things that are good that are happening. The Indian community's message is to embrace good over evil. So that's a good message for us to adopt as Jamaicans, to embrace good over evil and to share happiness, to share love, because at the end of the day, we're a beautiful people.
Wow, this is carnival. I feel like I am in my country, with the water, with the colors, with everything that you can think of. I'm very proud to be here, to share this moment, this time of happiness between the two countries and the Caribbean in general and the history of India. Thank you very much to you too, to be kind, to have me as to say something, how I feel, and I feel very, very happy to be here.
And what I love too, people are just dancing, playing, eating, and nobody's being judged, It's a judgeless, everybody's just free, having a good time, and I love that. And that is something I also saw when I visited India, real democracy at work. You're free to do what you love, another person is free to do what they love, as long as it's not hurtful and harmful to anybody else.
I am here because I'm supporting my Indian heritage, right? And Holi is one of the most important period of time in the celebration of our culture. And it means a lot, as you can see, it means a lot. It's the beginning of spring. And it signifies, peace, happiness, and in the multiplicity of colors shows you the festivity that it brings. So Holi is one of the time that we look forward to. As you can see, we're all colored,
yes,
right? Colored, and it's just one of those moments where we're grateful that we can celebrate this milestone in our culture.
Well, I'm here because I love Indian culture and I love to celebrate, and I was invited and I would never say no to a wonderful day.
What has surprised me, I know that we have a strong Indian community here, and the Indian-Jamaican relationship has been long-standing. It's a very good relationship, but I'm surprised to see that the Indian community has grown so large, and I think it's awesome, it's wonderful.
A number of us would have lost some of that heritage, and we don't celebrate it as much anymore. But he has reignited the Indianness in a number of us, that we are being exposed to the celebration of Holi. I just came back from India. I went in January. In January, and let me tell you, it was a mind-boggling experience. And I was happy to have experienced that, because it brings me closer to what I would have heard but never seen about its ancestry, and I just love it.
Holi greetings to everyone. who cannot join us today for various reasons. I know you are traveling, but our spirit is with you, our love is with you, our relationship is with you, and in spirit, we always celebrate Holi together because this is a manifestation of what we have in our hearts, and this happens just once in a year. But Holi, in fact, the human relationship and celebration of life happens on daily basis. And my love to all my Indian community members and also to Jamaicans who cannot be a part of this beautiful celebration today.
Those who are not here, you're missing something great. I wasn't able to come to attend last year because I had a conflicting event in my constituency. And I'm so happy to come out and to see all of the fun and all the excitement. And I want to encourage everyone, you can't afford to miss this event next year. You just can't afford to miss this event.
Just would love to say that being away from home and having this opportunity to celebrate Holi in our second motherland, that is Jamaica, it is just a different experience. And thank you all my Jamaican brothers and sisters, all my Indian brothers and sisters out here in Kingston for being with us this afternoon.
What I'm happy about is Holi. You can play with many colors. You can buy the powder you have. You can spread it to you can spread it to your friends as kindness and those stuff.
Happy Holi for everybody.
Stay safe, enjoy yourself, and love each other.
Happy Holi to everybody, and ensure going forward as we continue to celebrate the Indian culture in Jamaica because it's a part of us, and out of our motto, out of many one people, it's a part of who we are, and we're thankful.
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!